that we have never very cold winters. By far not as cold as Chicago or New York. If we are crying, it's cold if it's 10 degrees minus, but that's not really cold. We have never too hot in summer. Your summer is much more hot than our summer. We have a very long vegetation period. We have leaves on the trees until the end of October, beginning of November, the leaves on the vines. So the grape picking happens here in the middle of October, until the end of October, sometimes even November. California, they start grape picking in August and run through September. In California, when they pick grapes, it's during the day pretty hot, and to avoid warming up of the grape must and the harvest, they pick the grapes during the night, the cooler night. We do not need that. When we pick our grapes, sometimes we need a warm sweater. So, and now it comes to the microbiology. The biological conditions are very different. Whether you have a fruit, was this mush or was a breie, what is this squeezed fruit? If you have fruits harvested with 30 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees, then they are, from the very beginning of picking, the yeasts and all the microbiological are very active. If it is cold from the very beginning, when you pick the grapes and it goes cold into the press and the fresh juice is pretty cool, then the process is very slow, and that keeps the aroma, that keeps the freshness, that keeps the acidity. So because of climate, the production and fermentation of grapes and conversion into wine is in a different scale. We do not need cooling facilities. No, nature does it. We have never very cold winters. If we are crying, it's cold if it's 10 degrees minus, but that's not really cold.